Guess what we're doing today? We're going to be installing an outdoor shower on the side of the RV. Right there. Stay tuned. Alright, besides the new shower, which that's that right there, along with that, you're going to need a cordless drill. Highly recommend a Dremel tool to do all your cutting with these easy lock cutting blades. And of course, you're going to need fittings, straight fittings, so you can go onto the back of the faucet. And you need some T-fittings so you can hook up the hose on the inside in there. And you're going to need a little bit of hose. Something come in real handy are these Pickles tubing cutters and screws, and of course your butyl tape. So we're going to get a seal around it. We'll seal it off with caulking later, but just not right now. Anyhow, we already looked inside at where we're going to put this thing, and we figured from 6 inches up from right here, that's where we're going to put it, right here. So that puts our hoses at about 10 inches over the fitting right here. So that gives us access to get everything hooked in. At least I'm hoping so. We'll find out after we cut this open. Well, we do have some hidden structure back there. Oops! Not a big deal though. It ain't in the middle. We can work with that. But that's what the laminated wall looks like. So, we'll get this fitted. We can work with that. we go. Now, this right here, we got a structure right here, so we just notched out for it. We can close that back off a little. That's not a big deal. Matter of fact, we'd probably use that same piece we cut out of there. Just glue that in there. But that got to come out right there. But we have a portable shower tent. Going to need some butyl tape. Seal this thing off. That might make it. It's going to be tight. Alright, hot water hose. We're done. I ain't dead yet. Huh? Okay. Alright. Feed these hoses in. We'll go get a look, see how much clearance we got on the inside. Might have to get some 90 degrees. Yep. Hoses are pinched off. They're right up against the heater box there, or the oven. So what I need to do is order some 90 degrees. No big deal. To be continued. Just like that. Okay, water pump's turned off. There, hoses are pulled through. We're gonna connect on these lines right here and get all that hooked up. Let's see what we can't do. Okay, let's try it again. Uh-huh. Alright, stay there. Alright, here's our shower. See what we got here. Okay.